Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the battery in a Toyota wireless remote control key. First of all, we'll have to locate this slot right here. I'll try to show you. This will be used to open the cover. I will use a small screwdriver, insert it like this and pry it open. This way we can remove this plastic cover, and here you'll see this rubber plug. Remove it, and underneath you'll see the battery. This key requires CR2032 battery. To remove the battery, we'll have to pry it using this slot. And here we have our battery. You can see the contacts in the opening. This is where the new battery will go. Insert the new battery like this, and once it's lined up, just push it in, and now you can reinstall the rubber plug and close the cover. The replacement is complete.